So in this video we're going to focus on list views. I've gone into something that's fairly easy to comprehend, which is the opportunity, which are really sales opportunities in Salesforce. And what we're going to do is say we've got several records that we want to update, and I'm just kind of randomly picking here. You can also click and then shift select multiple records. So I'm going to pick all of these records, and I've been working on them today, and it's time for me to update their status. So I'll pick one, and you'll see that it allows me to say I want to update all 7 that are checkboxed, and I can move these to a new stage. So I might say they're all moving to needs analysis. You'll see they all go to needs analysis. They are yellow because they have not been saved yet. So if you do that and you say, hey, I moved them, they all have the right thing, and then you click somewhere else, you're going to lose this information. So you have to click save, and that will mass update those records. There are definitely some concerns as you build out your Salesforce org. You may have some requirements for them to be able to move stages, and that might cause some errors trying to mass edit. But in terms of using the list view, that's probably the quickest, easiest way to mass edit records. We're going to look at reports a little bit later, and you might see something that looks very similar to this, but a report does not allow you automatically to mass update records. So just be aware of that. The other thing is you might see in some fields that you cannot edit. So the pencil tool tells me I can inline edit, but then I see other things that are locked down. So we'll talk about why certain things are locked and other things are not. But all that is just more advanced concepts. Right now I just wanted to focus on list views and how you can make multiple record updates. One feature that's available in Salesforce that a lot of people seem to like is the Kanban view. So right now, if you look over here in this list view, it's a table, and if you can choose a Kanban view, there are some limitations on when you can choose that, but what I'll show you right now is you basically get all the various stages of the opportunity here, and a sum of how much money, how much of the amount field totaled up here is in each stage. And what's really great about this is you can update as you work on, let's say, Grand Hotel's kitchen. If you move that to the next stage, it will both update the totals and update the stage for this particular opportunity, and it allows you to move records very quickly and easily between different views. And this bar here is only because the list is longer than we can see on the screen. So over here we have a bunch that are in closed one, and you can still add your filters to remove things that you don't want to see on here. So if you just want to focus on opportunities with a state of Maryland or Virginia or something like that, you can add your filter still. But that's a quick, easy way to move things back and forth, and you can always go back to your table display if you want to. So another feature of list views that can be helpful is the fact that you can sort based on the columns. So if you just click on the column header, you can see your deals, and when it's pointing up, you're going from lowest to highest, or if it's going down, you're just toggling between ascending and descending values, so we can see our largest deals at the top. You could sort by account name, which that's just a text field, so it is going to sort alphabetically. And now I can kind of see that there are 4 deals under the account edge communications. Here are the 4 deal names. Here are the amounts. One of the things that you won't see here is in this view is what is the total for all 4 of these deals. In a report you can get that information. So we're going to do a comparison between list views and reports in a separate video that shows you the pros and cons of each view. Obviously one of the advantages is that you can change multiple records in a list view, and in a report you cannot. Another thing I'll point out is you might say, well, this should also sort alphabetically. When you click on stage, it actually sorts by the order of the pick list. So the first stage is prospecting, then qualifying, needs analysis. You'll notice it is not in alphabetical order. It's actually in the order that you would see going across, like in the Kanban view. You'll notice it's prospecting, qualifying, needs analysis, value proposition. When we go back here, prospecting, qualification, needs analysis, value proposition. So regular text fields will go in alphabetical order. Any numeric or currency field will be sorted based on numeric size, and then pick lists can be sorted by the first choice to the last choice. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Leave comments or ideas for videos you want us to make, and hit us with a like and subscribe to hear about new content we'll be releasing soon. Until then, we've provided some video recommendations at the bottom of the screen, and if you need more immediate help, you can book a consultation by using the link in the description, and we'll be happy to help you out.